Imagine this. You're pulling your hair out, wrestling with a ridiculously complex budgeting app that feels more like an enemy than an ally. Meanwhile, your friend's kicking back, cool as a cucumber, handling their budget like a pro. Now you're probably thinking, what's their secret sauce? Could it be the app they're using? Let's face it, most of us are on a perpetual hunt for that flawless budgeting app. You know, the one that makes managing finances a breeze. Amid all the options out there, Mint shines like a lighthouse in the fog. It's like the finance world's Mint Choco Chip, universally adored, cool as ice, and for some, a bit too zingy. Mint's reputation as the budgeting guru has spread like wildfire, and it's no wonder why. It's packed to the brim with features designed to make money managing feel like a piece of cake. But here's the billion-dollar question. Is Mint your ultimate budgeting lifesaver? Or is it just another app destined to get lost in the maze of your phone? Buckle up, folks, because we're diving deep into the nuts and bolts of this financial gadget. So, is Mint the magic wand for all your budgeting headaches? Stick with us, because we're about to dig up the truth. Budgeting apps are taking the world by storm. But why? Well, let's dive into that, shall we? These digital tools are becoming increasingly popular, and there are a handful of reasons why they're attracting users like moths to a flame. Firstly, there's the convenience factor. Gone are the days of manually tracking income and expenses. With budgeting apps, you can manage your finances on the go, whether you're waiting for your coffee at the local cafe or lounging on your couch. It's like having a financial advisor tucked away in your pocket. Next, we have the automatic features. Let's be honest, who wants to spend hours categorizing transactions and entering data? With these apps, a lot of the grunt work is automated. They categorize your expenses, track your income, and even remind you of upcoming bills. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a day off. Goal setting and tracking is another significant benefit. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off student loans, or planning to buy a house, these apps help you set financial goals and visually track your progress. It's a bit like having a personal trainer, but for your finances. Finally, budgeting apps provide increased financial awareness. They give you insights into your spending habits and highlight areas where you could potentially cut back. It's a bit like having a mirror that reflects your financial habits, helping you understand your money better. Among these popular apps, Mint stands out. But what exactly does Mint bring to the table? Well, let's put it under the microscope in the next segment. It's time to take a closer look at this financial wizard and see if it's the right fit for your budgeting needs. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of budgeting apps and continue our exploration of Mint. We're just getting started, and there's a whole lot more to uncover. So, buckle up and get ready for a financial journey like no other. And before we go, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more budgeting tips and tricks. Let's dive into Mint, a budgeting app that's being hailed as a game changer. As part of the Intuit family, the same folks who brought you QuickBooks and TurboTax, Mint has a solid pedigree in the world of personal finance. Mint's forte is its ability to aggregate all your financial data in one place. Think of it as a financial command center, linking everything from your bank accounts and credit cards to your student loans and retirement funds. The idea is to give you a comprehensive view of your financial landscape, so you're not just seeing the trees, but the entire forest. One of Mint's key features is its budgeting tools. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, guiding you on how to allocate your funds. Mint provides a range of budgeting templates, from fixed costs like rent and utilities, to variable expenses such as dining out or retail therapy sessions. You can even customize categories to suit your lifestyle. Another standout feature is Mint's goal-setting capability. Want to save for a car, a vacation, or pay off that pesky student loan? Mint allows you to set these financial goals and track your progress. It's like having a personal cheerleader, reminding you of how far you've come and how close you are to crossing the finish line. Mint also provides bill reminders and alerts. So, if you're the forgetful type or just have a lot on your plate, Mint's got your back. It'll send you timely reminders to ensure you're never hit with a late fee. Now, if you've been following recent news, you'll know that Mint has been making some changes to their platform. They've introduced new features like subscription tracking, which allows you to monitor all your subscriptions in one place. Quite handy in an era where it seems like there's a subscription for everything. So there you have it. Mint seems to have a lot going for it, but is it the right fit for everyone? Like every coin, Mint has two sides. Let's explore the pros and cons. Mint's convenience and user-friendly interface make it a favorite among many. You can easily set it up and voila, you're ready to budget. Plus, it's free to use with its basic features, which is always a sweet deal for the wallet. Its automated features save you time and effort, and who doesn't love efficiency? Moreover, Mint offers a comprehensive view of your finances by connecting to various financial accounts. This way, you can keep an eye on everything, whether it's your credit card, bank account, or even your retirement fund. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few clouds in the Mint sky. For instance, while Mint's free, you may have to deal with some ads, and the option for a premium version may tempt you to spend a little more. Granting access to your financial accounts may raise security concerns for some users. It's like handing over the keys to your financial castle. And though Mint's budgeting templates are handy, they may not suit everyone's needs. We're all unique, and our budgets should be too, right? Moreover, you might encounter some issues with data accuracy. You might find yourself needing to make manual adjustments. It's like buying a shirt that's slightly off size. You can wear it, but it might require a bit of tailoring. And last but not least, Mint requires an internet connection for full functionality. So if you're in the middle of nowhere with no Wi-Fi, you might be left in the dark. So Mint has its strengths and weaknesses. But are there any other players in the game? If you're not sold on Mint, don't worry. There's a whole world of budgeting apps out there, ready to step up to the plate. Let's take a look at some of them in the next scene. Mint is not the only fish in the sea. Let's take a quick tour of other budgeting apps. Now, if you're looking for a more hands-on approach to budgeting, you might want to try You Need a Budget, or YNAB for short. It's a zero-based budgeting app that encourages you to allocate every single dollar to a specific category or goal. It's like having a personal financial coach in your pocket. Then there's Personal Capital. This one's a bit different. It's not just a budgeting app, it's a wealth management tool. It offers budgeting features, but its real strength lies in its robust investment tracking and management tools. It's like having a financial advisor on your phone. Next up, we have Simplify by Quicken. As the name suggests, it simplifies your budgeting process. It offers a clean interface, easy bill pay functionality, and it even helps you identify and track your monthly spending trends. It's like having a financial assistant who's always one step ahead. Last but definitely not least, we have envelopes. Remember the old envelope system for budgeting, where you'd put cash in envelopes for different categories? Well, Envelopes takes that concept and digitizes it. It's a virtual envelope system for budgeting based on specific categories. It's like having a personal auditor who ensures every dollar is accounted for. Now, each of these apps has its own strengths and weaknesses. YNAB is great for those who want to be proactive about their budgeting, but it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Personal Capital is awesome for investors, but its budgeting tools may not be as comprehensive as other apps. Simplify by Quicken is user-friendly and intuitive, but it's not as feature-rich as some might like. And Memvelopes? Well, it's a fantastic tool for visual learners, but it might be too simplistic for those who like to delve deep into their numbers. With so many options out there, how do you choose the right budgeting app? Finding the perfect budgeting app is like finding the perfect pair of jeans. It has to fit just right. Now, it's time to play matchmaker for you and your ideal budgeting tool. First, consider your tech savviness. Some apps are more user-friendly than others. If you're a tech whiz, an app with a multitude of features and customization options might be up your alley. But if you're more of a keep-it-simple kind of person, an app with a clean interface might be the way to go. Next, prioritize the features that matter most to you. Are you looking for an app to help you track your expenses, Or are you more focused on setting and achieving financial goals? Perhaps you want a tool that helps you understand your spending habits better. The key is to identify what you want from your budgeting app and then find one that ticks those boxes. Security should also be a top concern. You'll be entrusting this app with your financial data, after all. So, take the time to research the data security practices of different apps. Make sure you're comfortable with how they handle and protect your information. Lastly, weigh the benefits of free versus paid features. Some apps offer basic functionalities for free, but require a subscription for more advanced features. Others might be entirely free, but come with ads. Evaluate if the additional benefits of a paid app outweigh its cost. When you're choosing your budgeting champion, remember that it's not about which app is objectively the best. It's about which app is the best for you. After all, the best budgeting app is the one that you'll use consistently. So take your time, do your research, and find that perfect fit. And just like with that perfect pair of jeans, once you find it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one you'll use consistently. So is Mint the one for you? Only you can decide. We've embarked on a journey through the world of budgeting apps together, spotlighting the attractive convenience, automation, and goal tracking features they offer. We've dived deep into Mint, its features, and its pros and cons. We've also ventured into other budgeting app alternatives like YNAB, Personal Capital, Simplify by Quicken, and Memvelopes. But bear in mind, Mint is only one of a plethora of budgeting apps available. It's a significant player in the budgeting, but it might not be the ideal fit for everyone. Your individual needs, your comfort level with technology, your unique budgeting style, and your concerns about security and cost will all play a part in your ultimate decision. Whether it's Mint or another app, the goal is to find a tool that empowers you to achieve your financial objectives. We want to hear from you. Share your favorite budgeting app and experiences in the comments below. And remember, the best budgeting app is the one you'll use consistently. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Your support helps us create more high-quality videos for you.